Let me help you out there.
I appreciate that. Please,
Oh.
please. Oh, rack parts.
Oh yeah, we need to kill racks.
Green gun over there, don't worry about handling it.
Take me some of that rack stuff. You got any other rack stuff on the ground here?
Alright, I got him shooting the racks.
Okay. Oh, nice. Bedrock. Oh, let him in.
Leave me get in.
Okay, monster mash, skag porn. There are a lot of skags here, right? Hey,
Yeah.
where'd my car go? Love it. Thank you very much. He did it. But I support it. Yeah, of course you do.
That was too funny. That was so great. I thought you realized it, but no.
I was busy collecting those rack parts.